Hello, good morning, everyone. This is Peter Chen from Shanghai Enviz. Now I'm in charge of the smart surveillance product line. Also here, I have two colleagues with me. So Peterson and also Need. So yeah.
Hi. Yes.
Hello. Can you hear me?
Yeah,
okay.
We can hear
okay,
you.
I'll start. So today, thanks for have this chance to introduce our new smart surveillance product to you. So there'll be two parts. First part, I would present the PPT for your team, and then second part, if you have any question about the products, about the business, you can put up so we can talk about it. Okay. So let me start. I'll use like 4 parts to introduce our system and solution. So the first part will be the highlight of the system. So generally speaking, the IntelliSight is end-to-end intelligent video surveillance products. And we're targeting like AI, cloud, and mobile management. So the core customer base will be the similar with our access control and time attendance product line from the enterprises like factory, offices, universities, and also like SMB, like retail shop, like some shared office will be our client as well. So IntelliSight is end-to-end product solution for both SMB and the enterprises. There are some important features or functions highlights of the system. Firstly, let's go to the system configurations introduction. You can see like IntelliSight is not using a very complex system deployment. We're using very easily deployment for our cloud-based system. So we provide 2 installation environments. Firstly, for SMB, we can just install our cameras and using the TCP/IP line directly go to the internet and link to our cloud server. For some enterprises like banking, universities, they need the local storage. So we can also provide the options for the local network storage. So it can restore like 24 hours video storage. So through the IntelliSight cloud, you can manage the system easily by the PC-based VMS and also the mobile phone. On the right side, you can see like the whole system are using very strictly and very high level cybersecurity and the data privacy technologies like AES, like HTTPS, and also we're cooperating with AWS cloud. So we fully compliant with the GDPR regulations. On the left side, you can see like our system is not a closed system. We are open integration system. We have fulfilled the 4 protocols, and we can integrate it with the third-party VMS like Milestone, ActionSoft, and Genetec. So due to the changes for the video surveillance market, so from last year, we're deciding to cooperate with American-based SoC supplier, Qualcomm. So it's a very big decision making. So we're using their latest SoC with 11 nm processing technologies and use 2 TOPS NPU, so which can supporting very strong AI ability. And also due to the cooperation with Qualcomm, so our products are fully NDA compliance. So you can not only for the commercial projects, but also can bid for the government products. So there will be, you can flexibly cooperating with different level of the projects. Due to this powerful SoC, so we install the complete AI functions on the camera itself. We call it RVI, real-time video intelligence, including like vehicle detection, facial recognition detection, people counting, sound detection, and the parameter security control, different kind of real-time video intelligence functions. And also, like I mentioned, IntelliSight is powered by the AWS cloud. So the advantage is like AWS can help us very quickly set up the local cloud server just with one working day. And if you have any requirements to protect the data in local, so AWS will help us to realize it. And AWS is very strictly compliant with the GDPR regulations. So we don't need to worry about any security, cybersecurity worries. Okay, let's go to the second part about the key functions for the IntelliSight. From this image, you can see like the IntelliSight can give you full protection for your working site. From the entrance for the parking lots, go to the reception area, go to the warehouse. And also on the parameter, we can providing the outdoor application cameras, Wi-Fi, IP66, IP10 can be also equipped on our camera itself. So from the mini areas to the big areas, from the front door to the back door will be all protected by IntelliSight. Vehicle management. So it's a typical features of our system. So we can help you to set up a white list and keep informed for any unauthorized vehicles at your important entrance and parking lots. Right now, we can easily recognize the plate numbers for the, if it's organized by the English letters and numbers. So if you have very special fonts like Arabics, so we can use our SoC to training it. So it will be easily realized by our HAI SoC. So we can talk it case by case. So if this market, our projects only need to recognize the numbers only with English letters and numbers, it can realize right now. This image is showing that IntelliSight will protecting your important outside area, like the warehouse backdoor area. So we can strictly detect the vehicles, the peoples who is not authorized. This is also very important features like our cameras can detect the sounds like gunshot, like glass broken, like smoke alarm. So it will be instantly protecting your very dangerous and emergency alerts. Also, we can keep your assets safety. So in your warehouse, we can easily training the objects you want to track and protect. So if this object is left or somebody moving, or it will be stayed a long time, not moving, we can both trigger it and let you know and put the information on your mobile phones. Finally, the features introduced to you is like our IntelliSight system can integrate with Anviz cross-checks and by the SDK and API. So if you have a third-party platform, need to integrate both Anviz access control and IntelliSight surveillance products. we can easily realize it by the SDK and API provided by Anviz. Okay, third part, go to the VMS and the mobile app introduction. Firstly, the IntelliSight is cloud-based, so you can access it anywhere, anytime. No need to limit it in any kind of certain servers. It will be saving a lot of investment on this kind of installation. Secondly, our cameras and devices are plug and play. So all the terminals are based on DHCP function. So you can automatically search and quickly add the terminals into the system. We provide a different type of multiple channels preview. You can choose 1, 4, 16, 32, or different kind of layouts. So you can put all important monitoring areas into the layout, your favorite. And from the preview image, you can directly set up the parameters for the cameras. You don't need to skip out to a web server and go back. No need, just on the IntelliSight, you can realize it. On the playback windows, we can realize 4 channels synchronous playback. So if you have everything to check out, you can select the most possibility channels put together, and you can check out it and can find the right position and right time period very easily and quickly. We have an EMAP function, so you can upload the map of your site, and you can pull the cameras into the certain place, and when it has the events, it will be pop out automatically. You can check what happened in this moment. And we have a smart event center function. So on the VMS, we have this kind of area already categorized by different kind of AI events. So you can easily search by the certain events, and also you can set the certain time period. So it will be easily for you to find out the special event for you. Go to the mobile app introduction. So firstly, we call it one account, one mobile phone, and one app. So no matter you have how many different branches and sites, subsidiary sites, you can use this mobile phone to manage all these kind of sites. You can quickly add the terminals by just scanning the barcode. So the barcode will be sticked on the outside box and also the back of the device, so you can scan it and easily adding to the mobile app. Also on the mobile app, we providing the multiple channel preview, so you can choose preview 1 by 1, and also you can choose preview with 4 channels, 8 channels together. You can have the favorite list, so you can select the most important monitoring points, adding these cameras, certain cameras into this favorite list. So you don't need to monitoring 1 by 1. You just go to favorite list. You can find the most popular security point you want. Also, we have a same smart event center on the mobile app. On the mobile app, the playback is also very easily and quickly. You just moving your fingertip. So on the image side, so you can quickly finding the right time period and place you want to check out the events. Okay, final part, give you some simple introduction about our cameras and NVRs. So on the first generation, we launched out on the image, you can see like we launched about 6 cameras and 2 NVRs. For the 6 cameras, we have two dome cameras. One is a mini dome. We call it 5 mega mini dome camera. We call D25. It's PoE based mini design. With the HSD card, you can no need to rely on NVR, so you can restore the images on the micro SD card. It will be restored about 1 week storage, and also it with a built-in microphone. The right side we call it big dome. It's like 4K outdoor cameras with IK10 and IP66. It with 3 times mechanical varifocal lens. So means like from the very near area, like 3 to 5 meters, to the long area, like 30 to 40 meters. The cameras can automatically tracing the objects and with the auto back focusing function. With also the micro SD card, and it with the dual video intercom with built-in microphone and a speaker. You can realize the dual video intercom function. We have 2 bullet series, same like the dome. We have a mini bullet called B25. We have a big bullet, we call it B38ZW. One is the fixed lens for 5 mega. One is the 3 times the varifocal lens. All these 2 cameras are with PoE, micro SD card, and also Wi-Fi function. We have 2 fisheye series. Same like the bullet and dome. We have 1 mini fisheye. We have another big fisheye. Both of these 2 with 4K, 8 mega, high resolution, PoE based, with 360 degree for the ceiling mount, and for the side mount, it can reach 180 degree views. Finally, we have 2 set of NVRs. The left side NVR, we call Live Station 2, is dual HDD network with 2 hard disk driver. 1 hard disk supporting up to 8 TB, so totally 16 TB. The channels is supporting up to 32 channels. And the right side, we call Live Station 4, up to 32 TB storage and 64 channels. So you can choose the different kind of NVR depending on different kind of projects. Okay, that's my introduction. So do you have any questions about the technical and the product side? I'm glad to answer questions. Hello? Yes.
Peter, this is Rajan.
Yes, hello.
Peter, one question. You were mentioning about the built-in SD cards for the cameras, right? What is the capacity of it, or like probably how much it will record?
Okay. We have 128 gigabytes for each SD card. Yeah, and also we have another 128 gigabytes. We call it eMMC. It's onboard storage. So means like it's on the embedded in the mainboard. So totally we have like 256 H storage totally.
Okay, and these NVR, which you mentioned, these hard disks are hot swappable?
NVR hard disk, 1 hard disk supporting 8 TB.
Yeah, no, I'm just asking, is it hot swappable? Like you can replace it while it is working without any interruption?
You mean, what do you mean, hot plug and play?
Yes.
Yes, it is supporting hot plug and play.
Okay, no problem. Thank you.
Hello?
Yeah, Peter, one question, Peter.
Okay.
Your NVR and VMS supported any third-party cameras also, right?
It means like our VMS the third party need to be integrated to connected to our NVR firstly. Because our NVR is on-wave based, so it can connect to our NVR and use the VMS to manage our NVR. Would be so the third party like on-wave cameras can be integrated.
Can be integrated.
Yeah, yeah.
Okay.
Peter, all these products are from Anviz itself, or it's an OEM or something like that?
All these products are designed and manufactured by Anviz itself. Yeah, no OEM.
No OEM in this.
Yeah, yeah, yeah.
And how you are trying to position yourself from the other competitors in the market?
You mean the positioning, right? Compared to
Yeah.
other, yeah, yeah. How to say the, you know, the way positioning Anviz is like typically high, middle to high end AI-based solutions or project-based, not like simple channel-based products. Like, you know, this kind of market is, honestly speaking, is dominated by the Chinese brand like Hikvision, Dahua, Uniview. So Anviz want to enter into some niche market, depending on good design and very complete AI functions. You know, from the choices for the SoC, like I mentioned, we choose like Qualcomm. You know, we standing on the high level. Also from the choice for the like the lens, we are cooperating like from like Sony, like also like from the total device design, we're using the metal case. So we're using very high level hardware and manufacturers and the materials. So we want to build very good level products. So customer no need to like a channel products using 1 year, 2 year change. So we want to positioning our system as a long-term warranty, because our cameras can provide you the 5-year warranty story for the hardware, and all the software we're using all lifetime upgrading and maintenance. So we want to be a total solution, AI based and middle to end project based brand.